Do you want to be able to change your currency on the Booking.com app? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step until the end to make it work. So the first step is going to be for you to go into your Booking.com app, and then of course also log into your Booking.com account if you haven't done so already, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, then what you're going to do firstly is to click where it says profile. That should be in the bottom right corner. So just click on profile, and now you should be taken to this page right here. Now we're just going to scroll down in here until you can see where it says settings. So click on settings, and as you can see, we should now be taken here. And now click on currency, and in here you're able to choose your currency. As you can see, you can even search. So for example, I'm going to take the Swedish krona right here. And now my currency should be changed. We can actually search. Let's see if we can search something. Let's enter a random location just to demonstrate. Let's see. You can search for this one right here. And yeah, perfect. As you can see, it now shows me prices in Swedish krona. So it definitely works. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.